District administration's part is the land acquisition and handing over the land. So from both the sides, this part is already done. The Bangladesh side, the progress is good. So as per the revised timelines, the completion will be done. Now it is only the part of the construction agencies. So we are going to support the construction agencies.
So what is the new timeline?
New timeline which has been rescheduled last time as per the donor ministry is September 2021. There are two timelines for the transshipment yard as well as connectivity connection of this railway line. So, but that district administration we are going to support mainly from the land acquisition point of view.
So as you have reviewed, are you satisfied that it will be completed by?
No, we cannot comment on because that is a construction is a separate issue. Now the district administration's part is mainly the land acquisition and if any law and order problem is there or not. So construction agencies and the ministry can tell what is the progress on those issues.
But that part is complete, that land acquisition.
Land acquisition part is complete from our side.
And regarding border hut?
Border hut, some new locations has been identified. So then the joint visits are also scheduled. 26 February some joint visits are going to take place. And once these inspection report would be submitted to the respective departments, then at the highest level the decisions would be taken.
So how many new are proposed?
Proposed because 3 different districts they did at their own level.
Already DM was Tripura discussed all the matters and we unanimously agreed all the agendas that were discussed because I think we are bordering country and we have good relations that we are relating the culturally, we have the same culture and Tripura and Bangladesh the language is the same culture same. So there are some problems regarding border issues, especially drug trafficking, human trafficking, and some pillar missing. And we discussed all this matter, and hopefully we agreed in a unique resolution from both the sides. And I convey my heartfelt gratitude to the DM West Tripura and all the DMs from Tripura district and all that Deputy Commissioner and Police Super from India and Bangladesh part and representative from the BSF, representative from the BGB, Customs and Land Protocol. Thank you.